Hi there, guys. Oh, let's fix this bow. It's supposed to look like a bow. Yeah. When you have a bad hair day, this is what you do. Oh, I need to condition my hair. All of the jazz. So I am back properly on YouTube because I know I've been away. When I say I needed a break, you know, when you feel like in your body you are overwhelmed, you're not able to manage everything. That's how I felt. It's called burnout. When I'm burnt out, the only thing I want to focus on is things that are actually important in life. I feel like with those things, I can focus on them. It's things that are really important, like laundry, dishes, like taking care of the kids, obviously homeschooling them. Joined the slow living life. I think I'm going to mention it a little bit later on in the video. This video is like a snippet of things I've been doing the past couple of months. So it's like I've been like filming, but just little snippets that I feel like, oh, this would be cool. Let me film. Even stuff all the way up to like late summer. Yeah, August is in this video. Yeah, I've just been taking things slow, focusing on things that are really, really important. I've changed certain things in my life, even like the way I homeschool the kids. It's even more like, I feel like I'm even more better now. Like I have what's spring in my step when it comes to like homeschooling. I feel like I could advise people, okay, but I'm not gonna advise people. I could give people basic advice. Basic, yeah. So I'm like really confident with homeschooling. I felt like I could do better. Now I am just on top of the world when it comes to that homeschooling, and I think it's because I just took a break and just rethought of things, how it could be better. Even jobs around the house, I just slowly, gradually did it because I've joined a slow living life. Why am I in a rush to do it? I told myself if there's things in the house that needs to be done, I will slowly do it. And you'll see later on in this video a lot of stuff that I'm like cleaning and organizing stuff that I'm doing. It wasn't done in one day. When I tell you it was done in a few weeks, it's like it was done like it took weeks for certain things to be done. Weeks. Yeah, and you're just gonna see it as if it's like in this video it looks like it can be stuff you could do in one day. It all wasn't done in one day. And after like it's done, you're like, oh, it's done. And then at the same time you'll realize you can do things slowly. Why are we always rushing? There's times where you need to rush and get things done because it needs to be done now. But there's things that where you can just do it slowly. And that's what I think the point of this video, doing things slowly and also a little bit of hauls. So next we're gonna go back to the summer where I did like a little Primark haul that I was supposed to like sit down and like film, but it's November. So I was like, how am I supposed to bring in this video? So I just thought I'll put it in this video, just show you like cute little things I bought for the kids from Primark and Matalan, so you can see like their little outfit during the summer. We had a really nice summer. I actually got some hangers for myself because I realized I like the aesthetic of wooden hangers in my wardrobe. I feel like plastic hangers, like, look at plastic hangers. You see, it's not aesthetically pleasing. Wooden hangers are aesthetically pleasing. So I am going to be I will do like a wardrobe update probably maybe next year or something. Because like see, I told you slowly. Okay, well, what about the slow life? Realised in Poundland they sell them. Yeah, Poundland sell them, but the ones that I got were from Primark. So if I go into Primark and I see it, grab some. Yeah, so my wardrobe can be just wooden hangers. It's just really pretty. I like wood and wicker baskets decor. And then the rest of the stuff I got were just kids stuff, things that I bought for them for the summer. Today is Wednesday. It's gonna be one of those days where I'm gonna catch up on cleaning. Not like major all day cleaning, just slowly starting to get the house in order. And also at the same time, I'm in this space where I don't want to overwhelm myself with a lot of stuff to do. I need to tackle things slowly because I have joined that slow living life, people. I have joined the gang of the slow life. Why are we all like trying to do everything fast out here? There's no need for the rush. Why are you rushing, love? So I'm gonna do a couple of things here and there, but today I've woken up and I'm like, you know what? I just want to dress decent at home today. So I'm gonna wear my joggers, and I bought a new t-shirt from Matalan because I popped in there the other day. Matalan, oh my goodness, I saw some shoes in Matalan, some trainers in Matalan. I'm like, oh yeah. They're doing like espadrilles, Adidas espadrilles tubes. Let me show you my outfit. It's so basic, but I love the top.